In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Form. We'll start from a blank slate or a ready-made template, then tailor it to fit exactly what you need. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up a polished form for surveys, registrations, quizzes, or feedback. First, head to Google Forms in your web browser. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account you want associated with the form so everything saves in the right place. When the Forms homepage loads, you'll see options to begin immediately. Keep this tab handy. Bookmarking it can save time if you plan to build more forms later. If you want full control from the start, choose the blank form option. This opens a clean canvas with a default title, a description area, and your first question ready to edit. It's perfect when you already know what questions you want and prefer to set every detail yourself. A blank form also helps you keep your layout minimal and focused. If speed matters or you want guidance on structure, you can pick a template instead. Browse the template gallery to find categories like event planning, feedback, or education. Each template comes preloaded with suggested questions and formatting, so you don't have to build from scratch. When you find one that's close to what you need, simply click it to open. Think of this as a head start. You can keep, remove, or reword anything once it's in your workspace. Now customize your template so it fits your exact goal. Start by renaming the form title and adding a short description that tells respondents what the form is for and how long it might take. Click into each question to edit the text and choose the right response type: short answer for names, multiple choice for single selections, checkboxes for select all that apply, or drop downs to keep things compact. Use the required toggle on crucial questions so you don't miss important details. You can duplicate a question to reuse its format or delete ones you don't need. Drag questions up or down to reorder them and group related items together. If your form is longer, add sections to break it into clear parts, which makes it easier for people to complete. Personalize the look with the theme options. Pick a color, add a header image, and keep the design consistent with your purpose. Add images or brief videos. If they'll clarify a question, use the preview to check how everything reads on desktop and mobile and make small tweaks for clarity. That's it. Go to Google Forms, start blank or choose a template, click to open it, and customize until it fits your needs perfectly.